Hi guys, today we will model this vape. We will learn a lot of techniques. So let's jump into Blender. I will start with the plane, scale it, apply the scale, then go to edit mode, extrude the face. Okay, should we work on one half? I think. So I will add one loop, select the face, extend the face, and delete all faces here. Right now we have one half. I will curve the corners. I will do the same for this loop. Then I will join some vertices here. You have to be sure that every face has four vertices. So as you see, one, two, three, four. Select this one, press and hold Control, and keep selecting. I will insert them a little bit, not too much. Then I will save them screen, assign that, hide them. I will keep the smallest area here. Go to edge selection, select the loop here, extend, go to face selection, extend, hide that. So we have um, this this area, select everything, extrude them inside. Uh, we will make them sharper. I will add one loop here and another one, then select both and bevel them. Sometimes it's not easy to play with the bevel here. So I will go to pop-up menu, make the segments first of all one, and with the left click, press here, press shift and hold shift, press and hold shift and move the left click, the mouse to the right on and left. So I will move them and right. As you see, I think this is enough. Then I will add mirror modifier. I will enable X-ray, so it's ready to enable a clipping. If you have one line here in the middle, that means it's not the pivot point of the body. It's not on the center. Apply the mirror. So I will disable the X-ray. It's time for the on and off button, but before that, I will disable the floor because I don't like it. Add one loop in the middle, two loops here, and two loops here. Go to face selection. I will select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and set them, but not too much. Right click, circle, do the same, it's okay. I will scale it, rotate in the axis, and set that one time and two times, move them in the axis, extrude them along the axis. Then I will insert that a little bit. I will add do the same here. Select those faces and extrude them along the axis as you see. I will extend the selection, invert that, and hide them. And set a little bit, not too much. As you see, not too much. I will sharp that part and hide all. If you want, you can add subdivision surface to see the result. Disable the subdivision surface. I will add the charger port. So go to edit mode. I will select this vertex, shift S cursor to selected, create a plane, scale it as you see. I will scale it along X axis and apply the scale. Go to edit mode, extrude that along the axis. We should curve the corners, select the edges, hmm, bevel them. I will make every corner has uh, two segments. Move it along the axis, select this, the body, and add boolean. As you see, the solver should be fast. Apply the boolean, go to edit mode. We have to correct the faces here. So I will start by selecting the face, this face, extend that and delete them. Select the loop, press F to fill it. We will join some vertices, and after finishing, you have to be sure that every face has four vertices. Select this and set the face a little, not too much, extruded along the axis. As you see, I will insert that face. So we have three vertices here. The solution is select this edge and this edge, hit delete this or we have a 3 3 3 3, so it's easy. I will add one loop here, the same here, go to this side, and one more here. As always, add one edge and bevel that. The segments should be one, not two. If you want, you can do the same here, but before that, extend the selection, duplicate this as you see, press escape, and um, separate that as you see. Select this again and add one loop here, bevel that. I will select the new object, add solidify, apply the solidify, um, switch to solo mode, as always. Go to edit mode. I will disable the subdivision surface. I will insert that. Right click, circle, scale it as you see. Insert that again. Extrude that along the axis. Insert the face. And we will do the same as always. Um, Bevel that. Press shift and move it. I will add one here. If you want that, it's an optional. Enable the subdivision surface. So it's we finished the body, but before going to the mouthpiece, I will select this part and hold shift this one, control P to parent that. So when I will select the body, everything will move. So hi guys again. Right now we will work on mouthpiece. So I will start. I will go to edit mode, to vertices selection, disable the subdivision surface. I will select this vertex, shift S, cursor to selected. I will start as always with not plane. No, this time I have to add a circle, scale it, and in y-axis, I think I have to scale it more. Okay, scale it in y. Okay, I think this is enough. Apply the scale, go to to edit mode, fillet and extrude that and along the axis. Okay, maybe more. Move it along the axis. I will scale it along X and Y axis. Scale it along Y and X axis like this. I will bevel it. Add more segments by moving the mouse wheel. I think this is enough. Select the loop, scale it in Y and X axis. Move it down. Switch to solo mode. I will add one line here. Then move it along the axis. I will move it a little by pressing G 2 times. I think this is enough. Bevel that. I think this is good. I will sharp the edge here. Do the same. Move it up. Go to face selection and set this and extrude that along the axis. I will delete the face. As always, we make this part sharper, but make the segments just one. Do the same here. I enjoyed the video, guys. If you liked the video and found it useful, give me a like and subscribe. And don't forget the part 2 coming soon. Bye.